That's up to my brother Vybz Kartel. That's right, DJ Khaled, We the Best Foundation are collaborating together. Our foundations are unifying together. Unity is strength. Also want to send a message out there. Listen, just because you might not see somebody donate or give back, that doesn't mean they're not giving back and donating. Remember that. It's not what the haters see, it's what God sees. And we're going to continue doing great work and doing God's work because we roll with God.
Yeah, people, I got to let you guys know. Enough big up to DJ Khaled. Because as the hurricane started, he called me and gave me $40,000 US. I said, this is for the kids. So big up Khaled. You're the best. But God is the greatest. I'm out.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers. Me I talk about that something where me see where we Jamaicans need to look in ourselves and talk do. Me see where DJ Khaled donate 40,000 US to Jamaica. And some of my people in the comment section run out. And I say, oh, the man could have donate more. How much money he have? How much this? That are 6.8 million Jamaican. That's 6.3. When I give man sitting if you put on, a man did have to do him have to do. I'm gonna love watch Jamaica. What make Jamaicans love watch people packet so? I'm gonna turn so. We don't have a money problem. The man don't have to do him have to do, you know. You know what Jamaican people no obligation, you know. And the man a help. The man decide for help. Him is not a Jamaican. Him is not a Jamaican citizen. Him only come to Jamaica through his music. And he might like the island and he come for vacation. And the man decide for donate 6.8 million. And when you sit down, I drag the man and talk about things. All I know where I talk and I say, him should have put more. What wanna put? Wanna put none? Shit, papa. You know, I go on like, you know, give man something for put on. I want to be ungrateful, so. I want to cause the phone so ungrateful. Eh? Why am I so ungrateful? Ungrateful on the first name, on the last name. You know, give man something for put on. Eh? You know, give him something for put on. You know, too ungrateful. People not have to do what they are doing now. People not have to do what they are doing. The people them come together who can put 3 million, 6 million, 4 million. The people them are put, the people them are help. The mere fact way the people them are help from the goodness of their heart, out of the love what they have for Jamaica and the Jamaican people. And all you know can do I get up and I criticize and I bash and I talk a bag of things. You know if go and left the people them and top chat. No, do not no. Somehow we are chat not even have $1 to put towards to help, but yet still have the most talk and have the most criticism from people. I go on if go. Man. You don't have too much bad ways about you. You don't have some bad ways about you if go. I love the people that make the people and do what them do and help what them are helping in Jamaica. A man a help. The mere fuck way man. I put 6.3 million. And that one get up at talk about him. Oh, him could have put more. Him could have do more. Because him always there Jamaica do music and this and that. When the man are doing music and I put in him work, did they help him put in him work? Did they help him? Eh? Help him with him work? Towards the music? Eh? If it go. I go on if it go. With an ungrateful, wicked self. And the most I know we are chatting and do nothing and can't do shit. I go on if you go and allow the man. I'm not too ungrateful, man. I'm not too tappy, man.